Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an AI to search items using a ChatGPT. So basically, if you want to use an AI, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So there is two options. The first one is to download an AI app from the Play Store. To do it, open up your Play Store and, for example, look for a ChatGPT. That's a nice AI app. Look for exactly this one from OpenAI with 4.7 stars review and download it. You'll need to wait a little bit and that's it. Open it up and you're in a ChatGPT app and you can ask any question. For example, something like this, and it will answer simply and correct. So, and the second option is going to a ChatGPT web by using your Google. To do this, open up your Google and type into your search ChatGPT. Open it up and here you can see your ChatGPT, and here you can ask the same thing as well. Let's make something more difficult, maybe something like this. So as you can see, it can help you solve mathematics, it can answer your school questions, it can answer your home questions like how to cook something, or it can help you with setting up your phone or something like this. With any games, it can give you any advices you need. So basically that's it. That's how you use an AI. So thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more.